A woman asks you certain questions, it's often more than just casual conversation. Many men fail to notice the subtle cues women use to show interest, letting valuable opportunities for connection slip away. Don't let that be you. In this guide, I'll break down 8 key questions women often ask when they're attracted to someone. By understanding these questions and the deeper meaning behind them, you'll be better equipped to spot her interest and take the right steps to move things forward. 1. Would you like to join me sometime? When a woman invites you to spend time with her, whether it's for coffee, an event, or just a casual hangout, it's a major sign of interest. This question shows she's actively looking for an excuse to spend one-on-one time with you. Women don't typically extend direct invitations unless they're genuinely interested, so take note if she's the one initiating plans. Think about how she phrases the question. If she's enthusiastic, suggesting specific ideas, or eager to finalize details, it's a clear indicator that she values the time she'll spend with you. For example, she might say, "Would you like to check out this new coffee shop with me?" Or, "I'm going to this event this weekend. Want to come?" These aren't just friendly gestures. They're subtle but strong signals that she's making an effort to include you in her world. What's even more telling is how she follows up. If she checks in to confirm the plans or expresses excitement about your time together, her interest goes beyond just casual friendliness. Take this as an opportunity to build a deeper connection. Show enthusiasm, match her energy, and use the time together to learn more about her. 2. What's your type? This might seem like an innocent question, but it's one of the most revealing. When a woman asks you about your type, she's trying to gauge if she fits into your preferences. Whether it's about physical traits, personality, or lifestyle goals, her question is more than small talk. It's a way of assessing whether she aligns with what you find attractive in a partner. This question By asking, she's putting herself in a position where she could either feel encouraged or disappointed by your response. Pay close attention to how she reacts when you answer. Does she smile, laugh, or playfully compare herself to your description? For instance, if you say, "I like someone who's adventurous and loves trying new things," and she responds with, "Oh, so you're saying I have a chance?" She's likely signaling her interest. Her follow-up questions can be just as telling. If she digs deeper, asking about specific qualities or how your type relates to her, she's subtly seeking reassurance that she could be the kind of person you're looking for. Use this moment to make her feel appreciated. Acknowledge traits she has that you find attractive, and watch how the connection strengthens. 3. How was your day? On the surface, this question might seem like a routine formality, but in the right context, it can carry a lot of weight. If she regularly asks about your day and seems genuinely interested in your response, it's often a sign that she's trying to build an emotional connection. Women who are interested in you will take the time to check in, show concern for your well-being, and use this question as a way to stay involved in your life. Pay attention to how she engages with your answer. Does she remember the details you share and bring them up in later conversations? For example, if you mention being stressed about a work project and the next day she asks, "How did that meeting go?" It's a strong sign she's invested in your life. Another factor to consider is her tone and body language. If she leans in, maintains eye contact, or smiles warmly as you share, she's not just making small talk. She's showing genuine care. This question is often her way of creating a safe space for you to open up, which is a foundation for deeper emotional intimacy. 4. Are you seeing anyone right now? This question might seem straightforward, but it's often loaded with meaning. If she asks about your relationship status, it's likely because she's interested in knowing if you're available for something more. Women don't usually ask this question lightly. It's a bold move that signals her curiosity about your romantic life. The context of the question matters a lot. Is she asking casually in a group setting, Or is she bringing it up in a one-on-one conversation? If it's the latter, she's likely trying to gauge your availability without making her interest too obvious. Her tone and body language are also key indicators. If she seems slightly nervous or shy, it's a sign that she's putting herself out there in hopes of learning more about your potential compatibility. When this question comes up, use it as an opportunity to steer the conversation toward your shared values, goals, and what you're looking for in a relationship. If she's asking, she's probably hoping to find common ground that could lead to something more meaningful. 5. Can I get your advice on something? When a woman asks for your advice, especially on a personal or meaningful topic, it's often her way of showing trust and seeking a deeper connection. Asking for advice allows her to include you in her life and gives her insight into how you think and what kind of support you can provide. The nature of the advice she's seeking is telling. If it's about something superficial, like choosing between 2 outfits, she might just be playful. But if it's about a major decision, such as navigating a career move or handling a personal challenge, it's a sign she values your opinion and sees you as someone she can rely on. Pay attention to how she reacts to your advice. Does she seem genuinely interested in what you have to say? Does she implement your suggestions or bring them up later? These are strong indicators that she sees you as more than just a casual acquaintance. 6. Do you need any help with that? When a woman offers to help, especially on multiple occasions, it's often more than just a kind gesture. She's likely looking for ways to spend more time with you and strengthen your bond. For example, she might offer to help with a project you're working on, or join you in an activity you enjoy. These offers are her way of showing support and creating opportunities for shared experiences. If she goes out of her way to assist you, even when it's inconvenient for her, it's a clear sign she's interested in being closer to you. These 6 questions are powerful indicators of a woman's interest in you. They might seem subtle on the surface, but when you pay attention to the context, tone, and body language, their meaning becomes crystal clear. Recognizing these signs will not only help you avoid missing out on opportunities, but also allow you to build stronger, more meaningful connections.